Hi, I'm Sharon Bond. I'm the owner of Dame Mas Dance, a virtual studio located in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And in today's mini bachata tutorial, we will be doing the box step and the rebound step. So the first step that we're going to do today is the box step. And the box step was one of the original traditional steps that was used when the bachata dance was first developed in the 60s. So, since I'm facing the camera, I will be doing the mirror image of the ladies' timing to start. So with your right leg, on count 1, you would step out to the right. 1. Your weight's already transferred to your right leg. And then you're going to bring your left leg together with your right. 2. Transfer your weight to your left leg. Then do a step back on 3. 3. Transfer your weight to your right leg. And then tap 4. Now you go to the other side with your left, step over 5, together with your right, 6, 4 with your left, 7, tap with your right, 8. So faster, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Now for the men's timing, it would be just the opposite. Because we're dancing in couples, you would have to do the mirror image of the ladies' timing. So starting with the left leg, you would step to the left. 1, bring your right leg together to your left. 2, you're going to step forward on 3. 3, then tap with your right, 4. Now over to the right, 5, together, 6, back with your right, 7, tap with your left, 8. So to make that faster, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And you can see with both steps we're making a box on the floor, hence the box step name. So from behind, the ladies' timing, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And with the men's timing, you're going to the left, 1, 2, forward, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, back, 7, tap 8. So the next step that we will do is the rebound step. So for the ladies' timing, you're going to step out, well actually tap on 1. 1, come back to the middle. 2, go out again. 3, and transfer your weight to tap 4. Now the other side, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And for the men's timing, you start with your left, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So if I turn around with the ladies' timing, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And then the men's timing, going out with my left, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So let's put those moves to music. So we'll start with the ladies' timing, the box step, and then the rebound step. Starting to your right, 1, 2, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now rebound. Now men's timing, starting with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now rebound step. So I hope you enjoyed that mini tutorial on 2 bachata steps, the box step and the rebound step. For more information on bachata or the bachata classes that we offer, please visit our website at damimasdance.ca. We're also on Facebook at Dami Mas Dance Studio and Instagram at Dami Mas Dance. Thanks for watching.